You could use a buddy. Don't you want a pal? Yes, I do! Yes, I do! Girl, the way I see it, your daddy should be leaving and you should stick around and get him!
What?
Nothing. So maybe don't defend yourself. Defend yourself. Daddy is the one you should name. Together we'll exterminate. Assassinate! Oh, one fighting points. But wait, first you gotta say my name. Go ahead and jump, but that won't stop him. Here you go, solid plan B option. I can bring your daddy so much pain. All you gotta do is say my name. Girl, say 3 times in a row. And you won't believe how far I'll go. I'm on the bench, but coach, just put me in the game. All you gotta do is say my name.
I don't know your name.
Well, I can't say it.
How about a game of charades?
Yes, let's play it.
2 words.
Right.
Second word. Drink.
No.
Beverage.
No.
One.
No.
Yes. First word. Bug.
No.
And. Yes. Juice.
Well, I'm impressed. And all you gotta do is say my name 3 times. 3 times in a row, it must be spoken unbroken. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Let's do some smart. Stand up, roll out. Think about your offer. Let you know that I'm for my chances down below. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, being a doesn't mean that I'm an easy mark. I swim with piranhas and don't need a shark. Yes, myself, but no doubt. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice,
Offering you a full-time specter.
I'm ready to go.
You betcha. Trust me, baby.
I just met your really flattering lover.
Don't you wanna see Dad suffer?
Think the punches jump off. I ain't suicidal, but you just honest in my last
So, playing hardball, huh? You are tougher than you look.
Just wanna make sure I know who I'm working with. Got any references? Look at there you are.
A-Town, B-Town, my old pal.
Get away from her, Lydia! This is a dangerously unstable individual!
Beetlejuice is sexy. Beetlejuice is smart. BJ is a graduate of Juilliard. He can help. We got him on help. Our troubles all end on the name. Every word is the truth. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. What the heck was that?
So violating. There you go, kid. Couple of 5-star reviews.
What was that?
That was possession. Any ghost can do that in less than 1 lesson.
Any ghost?
Pretty much any ghost will do, sure.
Beetlejuice. What do I need you for?
Hold up, girl. I'm your pal. They're sweet, but I'm a demon straight from hell. I know I went a little hard on myself, but we're BFFs forever.
Lydia! What? He's already dead. And you heard what he said. Any ghost can do that possession stuff. We don't need that demon.